Hi folks, today we are at Legoland here in Florida and we're going to show you our top 5 rides. Then we'll tell you about some of the rides that you might want to skip or they're just not as thrilling. Plus one of the rides that would have made our top 5 but it didn't make our top 5 because it is no longer available. Legoland has shut this ride down and it's very sad because we really enjoyed it. You'll see that here in the video. Legoland says they will they're gonna make room for future awesomeness, so we'll have to come back and see what that's all about. In the meantime, let's get started with number 5 here, and it's a carousel. Who doesn't like a carousel, especially with the grandkids? This is what the Ninja Ride looks like. We're about to get on this one here. You gotta fight. Shoot him! Get him, Mackenzie, get him!
Sorry about your ship.
I'll find me another. Good luck, Redbeard.
And count my pretty pink diamonds. See if you can find all 12 diamonds. Good luck.
We found 12. Oh, that's not
Costosaurus. The way it says Costosaurus we're gonna ride here.
Warning, beware of Costosaurus.
Yep. And this is the queue.
This is so fast, Papa.
Yeah, it is.
So we should be.
Alrighty, here we go. On the wooden roller coaster at Legoland. Click, 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 click. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. You did it!
My face!
That was okay. It wasn't as bumpy as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a rough ride. The ending is a little... The brakes slam on, but it ain't too bad. No, it wasn't bad as I thought it would be. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bumpy ride, but it wasn't that bumpy. Nice smooth ride. Little clickety clack, but you know, hey, it's not as bad. I got suffer a little bit from neck pains and stuff, but it wasn't that bad. Not saying if you have neck pain you should ride this ride. You should not in any circumstance should you ride it. Where does that rank? We'll tell you in the number up above where we think it would rank as far as the roller coaster rides and or rides you should hit or miss.
That is so much fun though.
At Legoland, I'll show you the roller coaster ride I did not like in just a second, and I don't recommend it, especially if you have neck problems. Hey, you want to go ride this ride? This is the Mia ride. We'll tell you how we think about it in just a second. Let's go get on this thing and see what it's all about. It not only just goes back and forth, but it turns and twists. And it stops halfway through and then it turns the other way around. So here we are. We're about to ride Mia's. I'm not sure if I'm ready for this because I don't like to be jerked around, but we're gonna try it. Hey! Here we go. Whoa.
Oh, this is slow. Just wait.
Oh no, don't tell me that.
The pace picks up. Oh.
Well, we start spinning too.
Yo, okay, y'all better get ready.
See, we're already starting.
Here we go. Woo!
See, it's not bad.
Whee! Here we go. Hold on tight.
I don't need it, Mommy.
Whoa! You see Nana? Nope. Whoa! It does get pretty high. Whew. There went my stomach. Bye-bye, stomach. Yeah. That ain't too bad. That is cool. Sophia! Back the other way we go. Woo! Yeah. Right up to the edge. Right up to the edge. Hold on tight. Whoa. Wow, that's so close. That is so close to the ground. Whoa.
I know, is it fun? Papa?
Is it slowing down?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It never slows down.
Oh. Whoa. This is crazy. This is crazy. Can you believe it? Whoa, now it's stopping. Go figure.
Wow.
Ah.
No hands.
Yeah, that was fun.
See?
That was fun.
It isn't bad, Papa.
That was all right, wasn't it?
Is it bad, Papa?
Nope. This was a fun ride. Woo, that was something crazy here. That was all right.
We are down for maintenance today. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness! Wow.
What happened?
The most important ride in Legoland is closed today.
Why is it closed? Oh, wow.
Nana.
So we made it all the way here. Disappointing that Legoland has closed Masters of Flight today.
They'll come back up as soon as
I'll have to come back some other time for Masters of Flight. I don't know if you've ever been on soaring, but some people said it's like soaring at Epcot. I don't know.
Hi.
They did let her take her phone. Yeah, she's got her phone in her hand.
she does.
They don't care. If you're in the park and it's crowded, unless you just love water, I would skip this ride. It takes too long to get on it and it doesn't last very long at all. Neither does the carousel, but this one is really short. No cycle here. The only way to get height is to pedal, and it's too hot to pedal, so we're gonna skip this ride today. So on this ride, you gotta work. You gotta pump the pump, go all the way up here, you get off the fire truck, and then you grab the nozzle and you put out the fire up there. Put out the fire with the water here. And then you wait for, you put out the fire, you shoot the bullet a bullseye, and yay! You got the fire put out. So this is the roller coaster I don't recommend, especially if you have neck problems. Because see those things right there? It jerks you around those really hard. You'll see in just a second. Here comes one now. The drop isn't too bad. The drop's not bad, but just going around those little circles right there really hurts. Doesn't look like it, but the ones over there really jerk you around. So that's gonna complete it today for Legoland. Sorry we missed out on one of our favorite, a ride that we really wanted to ride. We were not able to ride today, so we're kind of bummed about that, but everything else was great. Just a little note here, a couple of the water rides, if it starts to looks like it's overcast or lightning close by, they will shut down those rides and won't let you on them. We were in line to ride boat ride, and the boat ride closed right in the middle after we'd been waiting about 20 minutes in line, so we had to get out because of the weather. And the shows too, they'll cancel the water shows if it's been raining or if it looks like it's gonna lighten. But we had a great day. It's about 6:30, the park closes at 7, and we're making our way out now. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you've been on the roller coaster or any other rides we didn't get to. Let us know in the comment below if we really missed out on something here. And we'll hit it maybe on the next time we're here. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.